In this video, I'm going to use a simple picking pattern to show you how you can play the chord progression to Pachelbel's Canon in D. So let's get started. I'm going to use this picking pattern. See how my thumb is up and a little bit away from my fingers? That makes sure that my thumb and my pointer finger don't get in the way of each other. So I'm going to pluck the strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that'll be my pattern all the way through. My chord progression that I'm going to be playing is D. And then from there to A. And now B minor. From there, F sharp minor, which looks like G7, but bunny hopped up one string. And then from there you do a real G. Then to a D. See what I did with my fingers there? I went from my G like that. You don't have to, but I'm doing that because I'm going right back to my G. Then to my A. And it starts all over again. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you a different piece of music that you can use to practice your full plant technique with your 4-3-2-1 picking. If you found this video useful, please let me know. Click like and subscribe, and that'll help me to be able to make more videos like this for you. Bye for now.